Hi Tigers, nice to see you all again. Do you remember learning about some sounds with Auntie Sarah before school closed down? Now I'm going to do this with you because Auntie Sarah doesn't have this book. Do you remember learning about Sammy Snake? What sound does Sammy Snake make? That's right, he makes a S sound. Sammy Snake says S in words. That's correct. And you'll see in the picture, you can see Sammy Snake at the swimming pool, the sun and a seagull, sunglasses and a sun hat. Now, look what I have here. I have a springbok, springbok, and a star, and a spoon, and a straw, and a little girl on a swing. Not going to stand up. And I have a pair of scissors, a seahorse, and a scorpion. Lots of things I found around my home. All these things begin with the first sound of a scissors, springbok, straw, star, spoon, scorpion, swing, and a seahorse. Now, put those to the side for now. We're going to play with those again later on. But I wanted to show you how we write the letter S. On the blackboard, there is the line that the S and most letters stand on. So we go from the top of a letter, always start at the top of a letter. We go up, around, back, around, and down, around. There is a S. Again, up, around, down, around, like that. Now, did you see that I started at the very top there? We never start a letter at the bottom. Now, the S is like that, as we saw, but the mommies, the grown-up letter, the sound, is big like that. So both of those letters say S sound. So when you see that in any writing, in any book, on the newspaper, you will find that sound. It always says a S sound. Now, what you can do at home is ask Mum and Dad to write a nice big S in pencil in the middle of a page. I'm just using recycled paper, and then you can come with your crayons or your pokey pens, and you can practice from the top, remember, around and around and around. The rainbow letters, like you did in class with Auntie Sarah. Round and around and around. It's backwards for me, but it's the right way around for you. So I'm doing it upside down today. You must do it the right way around. And you could do this about 6 or 8 times, each time trying to make it neater and better than the last time. Once you've got a nice rainbow letter, you start to think about all the things that you know of that start with the S sound. And you can draw some of them. You could draw a star. You draw a nice big red star. You could draw a swing. And then here's the chain coming down and the seat to sit on. You could draw a pair of scissors. There's the handles and the blades crisscross like that. There's a pair of scissors. That's where you put your fingers, and there's a button in the middle. You can draw anything you can think of that starts with this, and you can probably fill your whole page up with that. Right. Now, the other thing you can do is to take a piece of paper like that. I have put mine inside a plastic sleeve. You've got yours with the red dot for where you start at the top, and you can take your Play-Doh. Just don't eat a lot, just a piece, and you roll it into a beautiful snake. Nice snake. Remember, press hard where you need to, press softly where you need to, but mostly it's medium pressure that we need to roll the snake. When you've got a nice long snake, start at the top where the letter is and pack out your letter just like that, as if you were writing it. Break it off. There's my S. Okay. Right, now the other letter you learned with Auntie Sarah was the letter Find it. There is munching. Mike says in words. And when we write the going from his tail down to his first foot, up, over, down, up, over, down. From the top, down, up, over, down, up, over, down. Now, you can see the moon and a monkey and a moose and the mountains and milk and a whole lot of other things. So for the what you've got here is, I have got a mango and a mug and a mirror. And this is one of those terrible mirrors that also magnifies your face. It makes it much bigger. Magnifying mirror. And I have got a box of matches and a marrow and a mouse and a loon. Lots of things that you can find in your house too, I'm sure, that start with the sound. So with the you can also do the page like you did with this, where you do the rainbow letter and draw pictures all around it, like you would do in class. Then you can take your Play-Doh and make a snake for the Play-Doh, with the Play-Doh for the sound. So let's make a snake very quickly. This is a tricky one. I'm going to show you how to do this one. Very important to do it as if we were writing it. So we're still going to start, we need a bit longer. Start at the very top and go down. Make it come back up on the same line and then around, down, back up on the same line, over and around, and I need a bit more. Carry on down, down, down to there. So it's down, back, up, over, down, back, up, over, down. You can do that one as well. So any of the letters you're going to learn with us. I want to show you a fun game. Take a dice. Mum and Dad can put a little letter, a and a s, on each side. Just stick a little piece of card onto the dice with a line at the bottom, so you know exactly which way around the letter goes. We don't want upside down letters because they can be a different sound sometimes. So I'm going to take all my things and mix them up. All my things and all my things. And we're going to find all the different things that we need. Is the table so long? Right, now I have got a big over here and a s, and I put there, like that. Now when we roll our dice, you'll find a letter, a I've got to find a thing and put it below the So it's marrow with Roll the dice again. There's a s. I'm going to put the spoon with the s. Roll it again. What have I got now? A So I put a let me find a mirror. Put the mirror below the group. Another What about the moon this time? I'll put the moon there. You can draw pictures, you can have objects, you can have anything you want in this one. I've got a s. I'll put a pair of scissors with this. S. Can I put the mango with this? No. Mango starts with a M. So I could use the star. And you can carry on playing that until your whole line is full and there's nothing left on your table of the different objects. Okay. Right, another thing that you can do is take your tray. Let me take all my items off. Out of the way. Now, another fun thing you can do to practice writing correctly is to take a tray and either put some sand in it, but my sand was wet because it's been raining, so I've chosen to use flour. You've got to be very careful with flour because it puffs everywhere and makes a big mess. So I can practice writing my, from the top, remember, around and down and around. And go over it again, around, around and around, and you can see the tray showing through it. I can do a from the top always, down, up and over, down, up and over, down. And I can wipe it very carefully, tap, tap, tap the tray, and do the same thing all over again. Sand is sometimes a bit easier than the flour. You can also ask Mommy or Daddy to give you a page full of S and M letters. And now you're going to take two different color Coty pens. I'm going to take an orange one and a blue one. And I'm going to say orange is for the M's and blue is for the S sounds. So now I'm going to try and find all the M sounds of the orange. And I put a neat little circle around each one. A neat circle trying to close up exactly where you started. A really good circle is when I cannot see where you started or finished. There's a M. Can I put an orange line around that? No, it's a S. I've got to find the M. And that one? Yes, so there's a M. Next line, a M. And you carry on until you find all the M's. Want to change? I'm going to find some of the S and do them in blue. Circle around the S and a circle around the S and a circle around this. The next row, a circle around this, and you can carry on doing the whole page until you've sorted them into M's in orange and S in blue. You may choose your own colours, however, as you do that. Right. That's a whole lot of fun ideas for you to do with your letters. And if you come back again in the next few days, we're going to have another letter lesson with a new letter, one you haven't done yet before. So keep watching regularly and we'll introduce all the new letters to you. Have fun with your sounds. Find everything in your house that you can find with a M and a S and play the game with the dice. Roll it out of the Play-Doh. Just have fun with all your sounds. Find everything you can find that starts with those two sounds. Thank you guys. Bye.